And the next laureate is Professor Azim Surani. He's the Director of Germline and Epigenetic Research at the Wellcome Trust Cancer Research UK Gairdner Institute at the University of Cambridge. And he, along with Davos Solter, is awarded for the discovery of mammalian genomic imprinting that causes parent of origin specific gene expression and its consequences for development and disease. So Professor Surani, please come to the stage. And his music is the Suite for Jazz Orchestra No. 2 by Dmitri Shostakovich.
Thank you very much. It's really quite humbling to receive such a prestigious award. It's been wonderful, actually. The thing that I kind of echo what Daur was saying, it's been really fantastic going around many of the Canadian universities and schools and meeting some very young, talented young scientists. And really, to be honest, I'm not sure how I got here. I left Kenya, sort of independence, around '64, and I kind of was wandering around, sort of a bit lost, actually. I had a very lucky break. By chance, I met Professor Sir Robert Edwards. You might know him as the pioneer of test tube babies. And he gave me a big opportunity, a big break, which was to offer me a studentship at Cambridge University. And I ended up there as his PhD student. And when I got there, actually, one of the first people I met was Janet, who was there. And there was a laboratory called Marshall Laboratory. And this was a very pivotal time in the history of mammalian development biology. So I got lucky twice because I also ended up in the right place at the right time. Many discoveries were made at this time, including test tube babies and stem cells. And so this was very influential on the subsequent work that I've done. Now, I know that both Daur and I kind of have seen that, we published our paper 34 years ago. So it's a long time to get an award, but it's all the more pleasant, better late than never. But I think I have one point that I take comfort from, because I've actually saw that our discovery was to do with epigenetics information, transmission of epigenetic information. And what I found was that it took nearly 34 years for Mendel's work to be recognized after he published his paper. So I think we are in very good company. So I think that it's been a really fantastic journey. There have been lots of ups and downs and so on, but I think the thing that I would like to pass on, and I think which has been mentioned by many other people, is I think that it's very important to support research which is curiosity-driven. And I think the second point is, I think it's very important to ensure that there is equal opportunity for everyone. Thank you.